Today we are going to learn the question number 27 of exercise 2D. So what is the question? Three numbers they have given: 445, 572 and 699, and they are saying leaving remainders. So remainders are respectively 4 comma 5 comma 6. So what you have to find the greatest number which will divide all these three digits number 445, 572 and 699. So before that we have to understand that why they are given the remainder, because you have to subtract these remainders from this, because these are the extra value which are present in these all numbers. So one by one we will subtract 445 minus 4, so it is 441. Then our new number is this 572 minus 5 is equal to, yes, correct, 567, and the last 699 minus 6, so what it is, 693. So now we will find the SCF of all these three new numbers, which will give the number, greatest number which will divide all these, leaving the remainder 456. So either you can do by prime factorization or by the vertical method. So I am doing it by vertical method. So while doing this, one thing you have to keep in mind, you have to take the number after subtracting the remainder. Now starting from first prime number, that is 2. So 2 is not will not divide this 441. After that 3, yes, because sum is divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12 and 3 sevens are 21. Again the sum is divisible by 3, so again we will take 3 fours are 12, 3 nines are 27. Now you don't know that this is the perfect square, 7 square, so 7 sevens are 49, and this is 1. You have to do it very easily. Now next number 567, again we have to find the prime number which will divide 567. So the sum is divisible by 3, so we will take 3 ones are 3, 2 is remaining, 3 eights are 24, right, 3 eights are 24, again 2 is remaining, 3 nines are 27. Now see that again this sum is divisible by 3, 3 6 are 18 and 3 3s are 9. Again it is divisible by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Again it is divisible by 3, 3 7s are, and last 7. Now last, what I will take, the 693. You very well know how to find the SCF by this method. Just keep in mind you have to take the prime numbers as a divisor. Here is also 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Again 3, 3 7s are 21 and 3 7s are 21. Now it is 7, 7 ones are 7, and now last 11. Now I will write the prime factors. Which are the prime factors of 441? 441. So 3377. Now next 567, 4 times 3, and last 7. After that 693, so it is 3 3 7 and 11. Now what we have to find? We have to find the common numbers. So 3 is common, these 3 pairs in all. This 3 is again common in all, and this 7 and this 7 means our SCF is the multiplication of all these common. 3 3s are 9 and 9 7s are 63. So 63 is that number which will divide all the 445, 572 and 699, keeping remainder 456. Now the homework for you is question number 25 and 26. Just write. Okay, thank you. Okay students, now we are going to solve question number 25. What is the question number 25? Reduce each of the following fractions. There are 3 problems, 1 2 3, so I am taking second. Reduce these fractions to lowest form. Lowest form is the form in which the value at the numerator and denominator will not be divisible by any of the number, right? So by this, which method we will solve? Either you can take such a number which will divide both numerator and denominator, but there is a problem that we are not able to find a number in dividing both 517 and 799. So the simplest method is to find the SCF by the division method. So in that method we will find our SCF, highest common factor, and that will divide these both numbers. So what is our method? So our method is to divide a greater number by a smaller number. So greater number is 799 and this is 517. Now you are seeing that the nearest number to 799 in the 517 table is the only 517. So 517, I will subtract 2, 8 and 2. Now this 282 will divide the 517. So 517 I will divide again it is ones, right? You can assume that. So 282. So what we got? 7 minus 2, 5, 11 minus 8, 3, 4 minus 2, 2. Now 235 and it will divide 282. This also ones, 235. So at last I am taking this. Now you will able to see that how I gone, right? So these are the numbers 517, then again ones are 282, then 235 is the remainder, then I will take this remainder by divisor and then dividend 282, and again 235 ones are 235 and I will subtract. Now I am coming at the different other side. So 12 minus 5, right? 12 minus 5. Now you are able to understand that. 12 minus 5, 7. 7 minus 3, 4. And this is 0. Now this 47 will divide our previous divisor, that is 2, 3, 5. Now think about that, how many are nearest to 2, 3, 5? Yes, any guesses? Yes, 5 are. If you are multiplying by 5, you naturally get 2, 3, 5, and that will give 0, 0, 0. So what is our SCF? SCF is 47, which is our last divisor. Now by this 47 we'll try to divide the given fraction 517 and 799. So 47 ones are 47, 51 minus 47, 4 and again 47 1 za 47. This 47 2 za, so it is again 47 1 za, right? So 79 minus 47, 29 plus 3 22, 2 2 9. So 47 7 za is the 229. So last fraction reduced form is this 11 by 17. So I hope you will able to solve the homework of question number 25 first and third. Thank you.